So this now has loaded an EPW file, and it's loading it from the internet. Okay? So that means that if you use this system and you happen to be working on your laptop and you don't have an internet connection, it's not going to work. Okay? But let me show you what happens when I feed it into here. Okay? So I'll move this thing up. This is the primary working import file for the EPWs in Ladybug. So if I take the EPW file and I feed it into EPW file, eventually that's going to turn gray. And it's going to basically say that, all right, that gray color means it's functioning. All right. Now, one of the ways that we can know that it's functioning is we can drop a panel in. And for example, we can send the latitude over here. So it gives us a latitude. You can send the location down to here, and you'll notice that it gives us all of that information. Okay? Note that the latitude is latitude, not longitude. Okay? So it's not lat and lon, it's just that. You can also notice that if you want, you can send the dry bulb temperatures in, and you get this big, gigantic, long list of all the dry bulb temperatures for the whole year. All right? Right now, I was just showing you that to show you that it is operational. That is not what I would suggest that you guys do. What I suggest that you guys do is, instead of using the EPW stat component, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this, is that you instead use this open EPW file, and that you download your EPW files and keep them on your local computer. So for example, if I drop a Boolean toggle here, and I feed it into there, okay, and I double click false, now it's going to take me to a dialog box on my local computer, okay, and let me go to, to get the file there. So mine's in my Dropbox. I put it for you guys already in the, I put it into the class server, or the class file folder, okay? So I'm going to go to mine, which is here, it's in there, and under that, and there it is, Palm Springs. So I click open, and now this one is all on a local computer. So open weather file is local, EPW stat file is directly connected to the web. All right. The download EPW file is no longer downloading files. It's basically giving you a link. There is a way to download them, but it doesn't work the way it used to. So I'll go ahead and connect this up, and now you'll see that I have a functioning sort of version of Ladybug, and I can drop a panel, and you'll see that I have the same things that I had before. So for latitude, drop it in there, and it gives you 33.83. Okay? So I'm guessing that that's all basic, and you're kind of wondering, well, gee, what's the big deal, right? Well, this is the stuff that you have to do in order to start using Ladybug. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these pieces here because I don't need them anymore. Actually, I don't need any of that. And all I need is this Ladybug thing sort of floating on my canvas, right? And then this set of components. That's the point at which you start to do something with Ladybug. Up until then, you're just preparing it for use. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and save this video, and I'll just show you one quick thing that you can do with Ladybug that might help you with your current design for projects.